Emotional moments from the courtroom today for sure as a family receives justice for the murders of a 25-year-old woman and her unborn baby. Blaise Taylor, a former scout for the Tennessee Titans, found guilty.
It's a case we follow since 2024 when Taylor was officially charged with Jade Benning's murder 1 year after it happened. News Channel 5's Aaron Cantrell joins us live from the courthouse. And Aaron, you were in that courtroom when this verdict was read. We know this closes a chapter for the family, but I mean, their lives will never be the same.
Exactly, Kelsey and Rory. In fact, the family of Jade just came by through and they didn't have much to say to us at all. They just kept walking through, but the jury did not take very long to deliberate. In fact, it took about 2.5 hours and they were ready to read their verdict. And, you know, this was emotional for not only Jade Benning's family, but also Blaise Taylor's family. And it's still a long process ahead. Now, the trial centered on what prosecutors said happened during a date night in February 2023. They argued Taylor intentionally laced a pink lemonade with cocaine before giving it to Jade Benning, who was several months pregnant with a baby girl she planned to name Ivy. Taylor later called 911, claiming Benning was having an allergic reaction. She was rushed to the hospital, but died days later on her 25th birthday. The defense challenged the state's case, arguing Benning struggled with substance use and presenting evidence testimony that questioned the medical examiner's conclusion. But after hearing testimony from family members, friends, and medical experts, jurors returned guilty verdicts on 4 counts. Family members like Jade's stepmom got the chance to make a victim statement.
It's ripped us apart. It's brought us closer together. But it's changed everything. We are very much more protective of baby now. Having experienced what we experienced, and I know that it's just changed everything forever for us.
Catch-all about any other mitigating, but then consisting of...
Yeah, so right now, again, the family is still just trying to come to terms, Jade's family, with what just happened. But this was a very long case, 7 days of hearing testimony. And again, now comes the part of his sentencing hearing, which also jurors played a role in.
Yeah, Aaron, I have a question about that. The jury's debating between life in prison with or without the possibility of parole.
Right, so Aaron, what were some of the arguments being made?
Well, Kelsey and Rory, so the defense, they actually brought up Taylor's mom to let the jury know that, that he gave back to the community. He started a nonprofit. He also was a mentor to young kids as well. And they said, regardless, he is going to prison for life, and he should be eligible for parole, where the state argued that he intentionally killed his girlfriend and his child and deserves to be behind bars without the possibility of parole. So they came back, and in fact, 3 of those counts, the jury decided imprisonment for life. But on another charge, they actually have a sentencing hearing coming up in a few months where the judge will make that final decision on if he will be up for parole or not. So this is not over yet. The judge still has a say on one of those counts on whether he would be eligible for parole for that particular charge. But for now, reporting live here at the courthouse, Aaron Cantrell, News Channel 5.